Wake up time was 5:55. Normally we do not, no. Wake up time was 5:45. Normally we don't have voice lessons this early, but we had to squeeze them in because she was sick, then you were sick, so.
And I still feel like garbage.
I know, I heard you.
I was like, she's like, try. And I was like, okay. And so she was like, she gave me a few things that I can practice over, but she's like, don't push yourself because you're
sick.
Next week. Yeah, next Wednesday. Mm-hmm. That's if I feel like it.
Yeah, we'll see. Okay, so straight to piano lessons. This is going to be this is like our normal morning routine for piano lessons. So we've got a beautiful stand here. And, okay, she'll be calling in just like a minute. The thing that's really difficult is we have to use my phone for this. And so I can't use my phone all morning, and it's weird. I don't realize how much I use it for literally everything. Yeah. Hopefully that's high enough.
The internet.
But the internet is so
like,
bad.
Every other word will cut out, and so I'm like, oh, okay. Yeah,
well, we're trying.
I'm like, if we keep saying, oh, we can't hear you, it takes up more time. So
yeah,
like, well,
so just don't say, I can't hear you.
Yeah, I don't sound like that.
Well, Lincoln and Boston are kind of bad about it.
Really?
Yes. I'm like, guys, just do your best to listen.
Yeah.
All right. I think I got you set up.
Okay. Oh my goodness, I look wild. My face.
Oh, you know, I don't think anyone's going to win any beauty awards this morning, but we don't need to. It's fine. That's not what we're here for. We're here to learn the piano. Oh my gosh, did you hear my voice? I sounded like my great-grandma Morrison. Okay, you've got your notebook, you've got your hymn book, and then you've got your Christmas piece. So we are ready to go.
Oh, I never knew Grandma's name was on the hymn book.
Mm-hmm.
That's cute.
Yeah, we had to actually borrow this from Louise. Grandma Hoellein. Okay, because we packed ours. Hey, good morning. You ready for lessons? Okay. Cody's gonna go next. Okay.
Okay.
Not telling.
Thank you. Oh yeah. See ya. She was like, are you pajamas? Hi.
Well, how did your lesson go?
Good.
Was she happy with you or no?
Yes, she was. The one song that I have, it's really hard. I want to keep learning it, but I'm not going to be able to learn it
In time?
in time. So I have another hymn, so that'll be 3 hymns that I know. And when she was like, okay, I want you to play Silent Night, I'm like,
Was that the
okay.
first time you had played it?
Mm-mm.
Oh.
I had it before, but I haven't played it in a year. And
Oh.
so I was like, okay.
I wondered. I thought that was the music you were supposed to be practicing last week, and I was like, Olivia, that sounds terrible.
No.
Okay.
No, that was just sight reading, kind of.
Okay. So now you have to get ready for school.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Just sneeze.
Bless you. I couldn't find Lincoln. Link, are you still asleep? I don't know how he ended up on the floor. Why did Lincoln end up on the floor?
I don't know.
Did you make him or did he just get down
come in
there?
here when he was on the floor?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, because he came out there. We were watching a little show while we were waiting for Cody. Mommy, I'm home waiting the way you hold us.
Are you holding her like a little infant? Mm-hmm. Is she squirming around the way little infants do? Dad always said holding a baby is like holding a bag of snakes.
Holding a bag of snakes?
Yeah, because you just wiggle around and wrestle around and try to get out of our arms. Have you brushed your teeth?
No.
Why don't you go brush your teeth and make your bed? You ready? You look really cute. Oh, that's so fun.
Like my kids' care hoodie.
Yes, I love when you wear that.
I know, I love it so much. It's my favorite. It's so
Is it hot?
but look how much it's filled.
I can see that. You be extra careful.
Don't just say you spent all night at night, because that wasn't very.
Well, Boston has his lesson. I'm going to, you know, I was gonna say make myself look presentable, but that's not even the goal here. You know, that would take a little more effort than I'm willing to actually put in. So I'm just, you know, throwing the old hair up. We'll wash it tonight. I'm going to Logan today, and I don't go to Logan unless I have condensed my trips, because driving an hour is too far to just go and do one thing. So I have several things that I am picking up and dropping off for Joel. That way his time is spent at the house, because there's things, I mean, all the things he does I can't do, but I can drop things off, pick things up, you know, that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I have a very exciting, you know, I say very exciting, it's exciting to me. We're gonna go over cabinet designs, because I have all of the cabinets like picked out for like the kitchen and the bathrooms and the built-ins, you know. So I have all of those, but I sat on them for a long time, and there's several things that I'm gonna change and add and take away.
Yeah, my hair.
Did you already do the dishes?
No.
You want your hair done first?
Mm-hmm.
How about I'll do your hair once the dishes are done?
Okay.
Okay. But your breath smells fantastic, so I know you brush your teeth. I got some mascara on. That's all the world gets today. All right, so let me show you a few things that I'm going to be doing today. So this is new. When I got my cabinet quote, I didn't have this, and so we are adding these built-ins in the family room. If you guys didn't see this vlog where I did the design, I'll link that below. And then in the kitchen, there was just a few things like when I went in, we added these little numbers, like these curved things. And then I saw, instead of just having those little curved things, I like this a lot better, where it extends all the way out and comes straight up. And then I want to add some like trim work on the edges. I just feel like that will beef it up a little bit. And then I changed my mind on how I wanted the range or the hood to go. And then I also changed my mind about where the glass cabinetry is going to go. And I also changed my mind on having the fridge not panel ready. So I'll have it covered with like cabinet, so it'll look like cabinet and not just like your fridge there. I just feel like that will look a little nicer. So just a few little changes that I'm doing like that. I'm still so uncertain about the laundry room. I don't think I like the cabinet right here blocking this window. I know it's not like blocking it, but I'm thinking about doing just uppers in the laundry room and then putting not lid, but like a cabinet here over the washer and dryer so that I can use it as like a tabletop. I don't know. I still am uncertain, so, you know, wish me luck.
How are you?
Good.
While Lincoln finishes up his piano lesson, I'm going to get all of the kids in their shoes, their coats, their backpacks, their boots, and I'll have Lincoln's all set up and ready for him. So as soon as he is done, we will go, I'll take the kids straight to school, and then I am heading straight to Logan because it gives me exactly an hour to get to my meeting, and the weather is horrible. So I actually am cutting it close by leaving only 1 solid hour before I leave because the weather is gonna slow me down a lot. As you can see, it snowed all through the night, and there's just a little bit of flurries here, which means the canyon is full-blown snowing because the canyon and Logan get more snow, more extreme weather. We're always more cold, more snow than down here where my parents live. So I'm going to head out. I hope you guys enjoyed a little peek into our music morning routine because this only happens once a week. Thank heavens I would not be able to do this every morning. So once a week, this is our morning. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.